Hello, this is Hacker007, and this video will show you guys my top 10 secret features in Windows 8. Now, these features aren't hidden or hacks, I guess you could say. They're just features that not many people know about, or not many people knew you can change or alter, etc. The first one's pretty simple, is running automatic maintenance on a schedule. By default, Windows runs it at 3 a.m. No one really has a computer on at 3 a.m. So to change that, go ahead and open your start screen here, and from there go ahead and click the type in auto, go to settings, and change automatic maintenance settings right there. From there you can choose a time that's more appropriate. So like I chose 8 o'clock. Choose a time that you want and make sure the check mark is on. At this time it will do things like software updates, security scanning, and system diagnostics. Second one is customizing the search. So what happens when you search, it's going to give you some options over here, which is just some stuff you can go through and search with your whatever you searched. So by default you're going to have all of them enabled. So to do this, get back to what you basically want them to be. Go over and click settings, change PC settings, and click the search. And from here you can go ahead and turn off the ones you never use. So the apps that you never use, you can tick them off and get to the apps that you need faster. Next one is going to be enabling a thing called hit or arrow light, which is basically a theme but by default is not shown. So to make it available, hold your Windows key and press R. This is going to bring up the resource or the run dialog. Type in resources. It will bring open this folder right here, and then you can go ahead and we're going to make the arrow light. So you have to actually make the file. It's pretty simple when you're copying it from different one and then just altering a few things. Now by default you're going to see you do have the arrow light in there, so it is on your computer, you just don't have it here. So copy the arrow theme here and paste it over here. If you paste it in here, you won't be able to edit it, so you make sure you paste it onto your desktop. From here, go ahead and rename it to arrow light. Then right click it and open it with Notepad. Any Notepad should do. Then go to the top here, and where it says display name, erase this and name it arrow light. And then scroll down to where it says visual style and go to path, and right after it's just arrow dot, right for the dot put the light again. You can exit and click yes, and now you have it. Go ahead and drop it in, and you can go ahead and open it up, and it's going to give you a better look to the Windows 7. Alright, so this one's probably my favorite one. It is enabling secret start screen animations. You can do this manually through Registry, but it is kind of dangerous and it takes longer. If you go ahead to the description below, you can get that MediaFire file, which is this program right here. It's a start screen animation tweaker. Basically, you can go through and edit them yourself. So drag the things here, and it will customize it for you. So all you have to do is make sure you click this, because this way it's going to enable every time you click the start, it will show you. So click that. Now if you like me, click the recommended settings, and these are some pretty good settings by default. So, and then of course if you ever don't want to have them, go ahead and click reset. But I will show you the recommended settings. Click apply, wait for it to come back, and then this is it. So you can see it's a little longer, but you got a pretty cool animation. You have the words coming first, and then the tiles seem to come in a little later. There it is again. So if you don't like it or you want to tweak it or whatever, you can click reset and click apply, and then it is back to normal again. So it's a pretty safe procedure. Of course you can change it to whatever you want. The next one seems pretty simple for anyone that uses Windows. Closing Metro UI applications. So if I was to open my calendar here, we're going to see that there is no really exit button. There is no exit button anywhere. Microsoft is trying to support, with the Metro UI or the modern UI, they're trying to promote not closing applications. Instead, all you're supposed to do is just go back to the previous thing or continue on. What happens is your app then kind of goes into a little state of hibernation where it is open, but it's not really open. It's just not really doing anything. It takes up next to zero memory. So they promote that. But if you really want to close it, this is how you have to do it. Bring your mouse to the top of the screen, pull it, you'll bring it into this animation. From here you can actually pull it over and pin it, or you can bring it down to the ground like this, let go, and that's how you close it. The next one is create name groups on the start screen. So you may have noticed I do have some names right here. So the best way to do this is go ahead and pull them into however you want. So to create a new group, all you have to do is bring it all the way over here and something kind of like that. If you don't want it there anymore, just bring it over there. You can see you can just easily organize them. Now to make the actual group, you're going to have to go over here, this little minus button, and it's going to pull over here. Now you can see the word a little better. All you have to do is right click on a group and click name group. Name it whatever you want, and then boom, it's there. If you right click on gone and click name group again, you can exit the name and name it and it'll go away. So this really allows you to customize it. You can put your media things in a folder, your frequent things, whatever name you want in whatever group you want. On to our sixth one, I was showing you guys take faster screenshots. To do this, you're going to want to hold the Windows key and press print screen, which is usually right after F12, which is at the top of your keyboard. Press print screen, you're going to have a little flash of an animation, then go overhead and into your pictures folder, screenshots, and you can see we do have our screenshot now. And you can see I have other screenshots too. Basically, in Windows 7, when you hit the print screen, it came into the clipboard, and you had to paste it. Now it does a screenshot for you, takes the picture. It's all good. Alright, so you may have noticed throughout the video I have 4 rows, I don't have 5 rows, which is the default, because I actually have recorded this video 5 times over and over again. But anyway, so I'll be showing you guys now how to tweak the number of rows on your start screen. So there is no program to do this. We're going to have to go through the registry and do it ourselves. Alright, so I have this here. Okay, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go to the registry editor. So I believe we can search it. I guess not. Alright, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to go to our run dialog here. And type that in, bring it here, and then what we'll have to do is we'll have to go here. So open up the current user, and then go to software, and then go to Microsoft, then go to Windows, current version, ImmersiveShell, and then click the grid. From here, we're going to want to create a word called, I think I already created mine, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and hit File, or sorry, Edit, New, DWORD 32-bit value, and then name it layout underscore maximum row count. Make sure you spell it right. Then open it up, and now set your value. So this is basically telling it how many rows you want. You can go anywhere from 1 to 5. Don't go over 5 because it may screw with your computer. I'm not really sure. 5 is the default, so don't put 5 really. You can put 4, 3, 2, 1, up to you. I had before 4, so I'll put 4 again. Click OK, and then all you have to do is restart Explorer. So just right click here and go to Task Manager, scroll down to this section, go to Windows Explorer and click Restart, and then click this, and yeah, I can see I have the 4 rows. If you set it to 5, I'll have 5. Another way to get back to 5 again is just delete that one, delete that file we created. So, or you can put it to 1 or 2. If you put it at 1, it'll be pretty long. It'll be, basically, the number of rows the more you shrink it, the longer it becomes. So if you have a long screen, you can go with that. Alright, so our second last trick is a hide recent file from your jump list. Your jump list is this right here. Alright, so you have most visited, all that stuff. Now, if you don't want to know tell people what you're going on, to hide this is actually new Windows 8. Go to Properties here and go to Jump List, and now you can decrease the size or even pull it all off. Click Apply, and now you can see it is now gone. Alright, look at that, and click Apply again, and it is back. Alright, so go ahead and click OK. But like you saw right there, though, when you do recheck it again, I believe it does restart its memory. The last one is getting the most of your multiple monitors. So there are two keyboard shortcuts. If you click the Windows button and then page up, you're going to move your current app to your left monitor. Windows and then page down, you're going to move your current app to your right monitor. Also, when it comes to pictures, a cool feature they did add in Windows 8, which allows you to do cool tricks like I have right there, is it allows you to have 2 different pictures on each monitor. So one on one on the other. So what I did was I actually took a picture that I have of this and then reversed it. So now I have the 2 lions or cheetahs, whatever, facing each other. So that's a pretty cool trick that you can do by right clicking and setting 1, set for all, etc. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this video. Go ahead and feel free to like the video. You can download the start screen animation tweaker in the description below on the MediaFire link. And besides that, feel free to show your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, guys, as always, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. This is the Hacker Trick 07, and I'm signing off.